Hello friends, welcome back. Azure charged me 19,618 rupees by mistake. One missed setting in SQL Serverless cost this. Here's how to avoid it and how you can get your money back. Come, let's dive in. Hi, I'm Karthik. In this video, I'll explain how my Azure SQL Serverless database ran continuously and cost me 19,618 rupees. Just because I didn't enable the auto pass, I'll show you why it happened, how to fix it, and how to request a refund from Microsoft. Let's save you from this beginner trap. Whatever you're going to see has happened for one of my subscriber, and I'm going to demonstrate what mistake he did and how we can resolve this. Alright, so I logged into the portal and search for cost. So basically it will take you to the cost management or click on the cost management. After that, I have to see where the cost is, right? So click on analyze cost and click on resource group. See, I'm shocked after looking at this. 19,587 rupees, right? It's more. So let's do one per time. Cost management, and down you can see analyze cost. You can see analyze cost, click on it and it will take you here all views, or if you just refresh and then click on resource group, right? We are just categorizing the resource by resource group so we can pinpoint the cost under a resource group. Okay, so let's expand the first one. So it's showing us 19,000 some rupees, right? So we can pinpoint, right? It's coming from a particular SQL Server database. See, the database has costed 19,000 rupees, right? Which is close to $300. So let's see what happened. So if you see, this was the one of the database that I was telling how you can use as a free, and looks like something else is wrong. That's why it has shooted a cost. So I'm going inside the database, the particular database that was costing, and I'm on the overview, and it's very clear why it has costed like this. See, it says your free limit has been reached and you will be charged. So what went wrong actually? Why it didn't stop, right? As per my video, if you follow, it would have stopped, but it didn't stop. So let's click on this link and it will tell you why it didn't stop. That's the configuration that we're going to look. Okay, see, free database offer applied, but there was this auto pause was not selected. Maybe this was not intentional, it was an unintentional thing, but that has costed this. And the user is from India, I believe, and look at this. He has opted for 7 GB of data. Actually, when you try to learn, you don't need to have that many GB of data. Just make it like 1 or 2 GB. And also backup option, here choose the the zone redundancy. Actually, we don't need to do any backup of the database, right? You're just learning. So go with local redundancy, that will cost you very less. So it's just a small mistake in the configuration, but see what has happened. Okay, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to show you what you have to do first. Okay, so I'm taking a screenshot to see just this was a problem. I wanted to just highlight to the user that this was the issue, and let's see what we can do. So first thing that you have to do is, if you find such resources that's costing you, go ahead and stop it or delete the resource. Even if you delete the resource, Microsoft will still know what resource you use, why you deleted. It's okay. So first we will prevent any further action. So I go and click on delete. I pasted the database name and I'm gonna delete it. So this is how you delete, right? So I deleted this. Now the resource is deleted. Okay, but what happened to the cost? The cost that you saw has not been billed yet. There is no invoice generated, but if you go to help and support, we can raise a ticket to explain to Microsoft and see if we can ask for a refund. Alright, so what you do, click on help and support once you are on the screen. So click on create a request and then you can describe the thing. I just described like this and hit on go, and it is further going to ask me a couple of things. So I'm going to choose the appropriate reasons or the subscription and particular resource that was having this problem. It's basically loading all the resources that's coming under that particular subscription. And it will also give you some option like so it's asking, is it related to the charges, is it related to something else? those kind of things. See, that $1 charge is basically, first time user will see that charge because they're just authenticating your credit card information is correct or not. They'll give you back that money. But this is different, right? This is like 20,000 rupees, close to $300. So I'm choosing this unexpected charges that I'm seeing, and it will further ask you a couple of questions, right? So what I'm gonna do is I'm go ahead and click on request a refund. You see there's a button, blue color, request a refund in the top, not at this point. So contact support, and you can actually click on create support, or even there was a request for a refund. So here, if you further see, you just need to fill up the summary. So I filled up the summary with this kind of information that it costed because of the auto post was not configured, and I'm a student and learner basically. And then problem type is unexpected charge. Problem subtype, you can just choose the appropriate one. So for the problem subtype, this is the best I feel it will match. So I'm going to choose this, click on next. Recommended solution, it's loading for us, and based on what you gave, it will try to figure out what best it can offer you. And here you go, we saw these options. Fine, see there's a request a refund. So click on request a refund, and you can further fill up. Okay, but I'll tell you something important. So because this invoice is not generated, Microsoft cannot do anything. Like you have to choose an invoice to which this refund has to be adjusted, right? Because we just found out even before the invoice was generated, which is good, right? We didn't wait for the 1 month to go on and seeing those big costs. We found it. So now what we do, because the invoice is not generated, user can't do anything. We just need to wait till the invoice is generated and go ahead and start this process one more time. Give a very nice explanation of what exactly happened, why you want a refund, and I hope Microsoft will honor it, which they have done it for many years, for many people. A very good company. So yes, happens genuinely when you try some resources in Azure. This kind of thing happens. So please be careful with resources and the cost of the resources. Keep checking, put the alert. I have a lot of videos related to this. Okay, you can set up the alerts that will help you to understand what's the cost, those kind of things. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope people who are facing this kind of problem, this video might be helpful for them. All right guys, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, and share this with your friends, colleagues, and keep watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials. And don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified when we post new videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. Happy coding!